Hello guys, assalamualaikum wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Diba. You can call me Farah. I wanna tell you about my thinking opinion under the title of Same-Sex Marriage, Human Right, Death Penalty, Common and Islamic Law Perspective. Okay, there is a movement considers marriage to be everyone's right, including LGBT couple. The fight to gain legal recognition of same-sex marriage could arouse rage ethnically, age, religion, political affirmation, and socio-economic status. So this is a big challenge for such marriage. However, each country's birth is different, religion and culture are determining factor. Islam stipulates death penalty for LGBT, while common law considers LGBT as human right and abolishes death penalty. However, religious freedom is a self-personal right. And then about same-sex marriage, its universal activities have made great progress in non-Muslim communities. LGBT Muslims are still fighting for most basic human rights, including avoiding the death penalty. Law allowing LGBT are rare in Muslim majority countries because Islamic law is dominant. Marriage aims to facilitate obtaining legal status for intermarriage, socio-economic, family, stage, and affair. Unlike same-sex marriage are not legalized by states, it will be difficult to take care of this matter. And then about human rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a recommendation adopted by United Nations General Assembly in 1948. The purpose of United Nations adopting 30 Article Universal Declaration of Human Rights to protect every individual in all countries for their human rights, for example, right to life without discrimination. And then we know that penalty is legal process by which a person is sentenced to death by state for a crime. Execution is carried on in public to warn future criminal. So far, death penalty for perpetrator of murder or corruption or LGBT can only be decided by a competent and authorized court. However, Amnesty International opposes death penalty in all cases without exception, regardless nature of crime, characteristics, perpetrator, or method used to kill the prisoner that considered as a burden. And then common law perspective, Indonesia consists various tribal and regions. Was unique, Indonesia have Al-Fatah Transgender Islamic Boarding School in Yogyakarta, which our Gus Durian community has visited. They believe every transgender has some right as any other human being. Transgender have right to pray without negative stigma or threats. Same-sex marriage cannot and shall not legally be a right to be interacted in fundamental human right because it's not encompassing quality as a right. So what do you think? Head of Food and Drug Authority, the FDA, head Indonesian POM agency say the majority of LGBT cases because environmental factor and habit. Another factor LGBT is genetics, but it's very small. And neuropsychologist from Al-Azhar University, Ihsan Gumilar, implicit is a mental illness and can be cured. In Islamic law perspective, Quran explains everything is care in and price complement each other. Rich and poor, smart and stupid, woman and man, says in the Quran Az-Zuriyat verse 49, which reads, وَمِن كُلِّ شَيْءٍ خَلَقْنَا زَوْجَيْنِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَذَكَّرُونَ. meaning we create everything in parts so that you may remember the greatness of Allah. Some experts agree LGBT perspective should be stoned off given death penalty, but the other experts agree LGBT perspective should be imprisoned until death because the purpose of law is to prevent a different effect. Finally, same-sex marriage cannot and should not legally be a right to be entered in fundamental human right because it's not encompassing to qualify as a right. Death penalty in Islam does not violate human rights because punishment is a threat to same-sex marriage or adultery does not occur. In addition, the penalty can only determined by an authorized judge. Okay, we finished. And don't forget to give perfect score. The last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah waridha wal inayah. Thank you for watching, honey. Bye. Assalamualaikum.